Hello, my kindergarten friends. This is our final week of work before a nice vacation week break. So this is going to be a choice day for you boys and girls. So we are going to go back through the games that we've been playing since the beginning of January, and you can pick and choose the ones that you'd like to do. So let me share my screen and show you how this is going to work. So the first thing you need to know, boys and girls, is that you've been practicing this quite a bit, but you're going to go to your teacher's Google Classroom. Once you get there, at the top, the first button says Stream. That is where sometimes your teacher will put announcements and things like that for you. The second button that starts with the letter C says Classwork. That's the one you want to go to. Underneath your teacher's name, you will see two words that say All Topics, and if you scroll down that list, you will find your specials, and Computer Special has a little picture of a computer next to it. That's how you know you're in the right place. And when you go into your activity, boys and girls, it will have the date for the day that you're supposed to do your activity for computers. The assignment will be underneath it, and then over here it will tell you when it's due, because we give you 1 full week to complete it, but we really would prefer that you do it on the day that it's assigned. So this is Miss Jennings' class. She has computers, I think, on Thursdays. So she or her class would go into the computer link on Thursday and click the activity. So we have a new lesson for you, boys and girls. It's not going to say lesson 5, it's going to say lesson 6. And this is what it looks like. At the top, you will see the little video recorder. You click that to watch me talking to you right now. The second slide, when you're all done with slide number 1, will be showing you the letters that you're going to be practicing on the keyboard. And as you can see, I've underlined A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Those are your blue letters, and there are 7 of them. That's your left hand, the blue side. Then you're going to take righty to do H and I. So you're going to need 2 hands, boys and girls. You can see these letters over here are blue. These letters over here are for the red or pink, kind of pinkish on the game. And that's where everybody's going to start playing, is on Keyboard Zoo. When you finish all the way up to I and you see the letter J come out, you can stop. This, boys and girls, is your link to get to our kindergarten website. I put the games back on the website. They're actually always there, boys and girls, but many times it's easier for you to get them through the slides. But this week I thought we'd have everybody revisit that website just so we don't forget what it looks like. So today, boys and girls, is a choice day. That means you have worked really hard over the last several weeks, and today you're going to play on our kindergarten website page. Click the picture and the link to go to the site. So you can click this picture, and there's your link right there. Your next slide, boys and girls, is just reminding you that you're going to start with Keyboard Zoo, and you're going all the way to the letter I today. Don't forget, both hands are working today. And the last slide is a reminder that it's a choice day. You choose, okay? I also put the website link here, so you can either click it here or you can click it on slide number 3. Both links will take you to our kindergarten website. This should look familiar to you. So here we are, boys and girls, over here at Keyboard Zoo. This is where everybody is going to start. You're going to sit up nice and straight and tall in your chair. Make sure you have good posture. You're going to get both of those hands ready, pointy fingers out, and you're going to tap A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then you're going to switch to your right hand for H and I. When J pops up on the screen, you're done. You can stop. And here are your choices, boys and girls. You can go back to the coloring a picture to match the letters and the letter sounds and the letter names. You can play upper and lowercase letter matching. If you go on to this side, you can see the alphabet order game with the monkey. Remember, he knocked all those letters down and you had to hold on and drag them back into place. ABC Bingo, there's lots of options in that game for letter names or letter sounds. Maybe you can practice both. And then Alphabet Bubble. That was our most recent game. That one was a little trickier, boys and girls, because you had to remember, put your mouse at the bottom and line it up, and then drag it straight up to pop that letter so that it drops in the right position. So this one was definitely a little bit more challenging. I'm going to review that one with you today because I think that one was probably the most difficult of all of them. So let's let that load. Now, boys and girls, I'm noticing right away when I go to ABCya that I have ads showing up on the side. So to get rid of that, remember you press log in and you type the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and you can practice that yourself with your left hand. And then the password is READ, R-E-A-D. You won't be able to see those password letters because the password is protected. It's a secret, and we share it just with our students at the Gorman Fort Bank School. So play, and this is where you decide if you want to do names or sounds. I'm going to stick to names, I think, today. And remember, boys and girls, some of the letters are already here for you. You have to put in the missing ones. So there's an A, after A comes B. So the first job is to put your mouse on the treasure chest, then point it up in the air as straight as you can, wait for that bubble to come by, and then give it a click. So A, B, next letter would be C. So I'm going to drag my mouse. Don't worry if you miss the first one because lots of C's will be coming down the line. Don't move your mouse until you get to that bubble and pop it in. If you make an oops, boys and girls, or you miss the treasure chest, nothing bad happens. You just try again. So you line it up and pop it in. If you get all of them right in the first round, boys and girls, you get the bonus round where you pop those letters in ABC order as fast as you can. So here it goes. A, B, C, D, E, F. Ooh, it took me 6 seconds on that one. So then I would hit next round and I would try again. And I think that there's 4 rounds altogether for you to complete, boys and girls. Okay, so I just wanted to review that one again with you because that one I think was, of all of them, might have been the trickiest one. So you have all of those letter games today that you can play. And don't forget, boys and girls, under the letter games, we still have our old-time favorites that we played way back at the beginning of the year, the shape games, the fun faves like dress for the weather and the make a backpack game, and then our numbers games. They're all in here. So if you want to play those as well, you can. You have lots of options. This is not a turn-in week, boys and girls. So you have a little break because next week is vacation week, and so we're not turning in assignments this week. So all you have to do is practice your letters on your keyboard zoo all the way to I, and then you choose activities that you'd like to play for your 30 minutes. Okay? So I hope everybody has a wonderful vacation week. And again, remember there's no turn-in. When you get to slide number 5, it just says you choose, and that's all you need to worry about is choosing your games to play. You don't need to turn anything in today. All right, I hope everybody has a great week off. Get outside and play in the sunshine, and I will see you after vacation week for some more fun computer activities. Bye-bye.